cooking at the roadside. Woodland Valley. Look at that. Yeah, someone's coming. We're doing a bit of campsite cooking. Bit of a busy road. Uh-oh. I'm stuck over here. Suddenly there's loads. Oh dear. Phew-wee. Hey?
You need to put that in, don't you?
Yeah, you just put that.
I can't remember how it went.
In there. That's it. That should be it. Yeah, that's it.
Right, now
Having a cup of tea at the side of the road. Or coffee. We're having coffee. Hey? A lot of oil tankers going past here.
you come here again because it's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, where are we exactly? I think we're Caldicott. We're just gone through Caldicott. Yeah. And we're having a...
Maybe I'm going to move the table.
We're doing what the butler's done. Right, put the plastic...
Yeah.
It won't melt my plastic mud guard.
I might move it to there.
Yeah. Just put my drone up. Might put the X1 up in a minute.
Got some hand sanitizer in there.
Nice. That's the Hover Air X1.
I've got some chicken. I'm going to warm that up in there. I'm going to have that in the salad.
Nice here by the tip, rubbish everywhere.
They're the sauces. You'll have to get them out the car because it's. I don't know where to put them.
tractors come from Bacon Sandwich. Let's get the cars parked. Warming up some chicken now and bacon.
There's your one.
And we got, yeah, nice. Some red sauce on it. Side of the road cooking. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. That's what you call a roadside calf sandwich. Now for the taste sense. Let's have a look. Let's have a look in this field. Yeah, just a field. I don't know what that village is over there. If that's Corby, I don't know. Don't know. Well, last time I went over here, I couldn't get back. Yeah, I'm not too sure what that village is over there. How we doing? Have you had one yet?
Nearly.
Stinks the piss a bit round here. I reckon it's a piss stop as well here. Oh, nice.
This is mine.
There you go, look. I'm officially a drone pilot. And also beating heart caravanner. And the spirit of 84 scooterist. Back the year I started. And if you want to look at other things, YouTube, Collins Capers, subscribe. And Royal Alloy scooter. Alright, oh, it's a bit hairy here. Gee whiz, I'm getting near run over. It's in the back of the boot. Putting my drone up.
Please enjoy, share my videos. Please also like and subscribe and press that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks.
Calling Capers. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Collins Capers. Yes, you. Thanks for watching Collins Capers. If you want more and more, please like and subscribe or even share. Like and subscribe, it's free. See y'all again soon. Collins Capers.
Right.
Warm it up a bit, mine. Oh, I think Sharon's right about the toilet though.
Right, ain't no toilet.
No, that's what Sharon didn't like it.
You just go in the hedge. Just go in there.
No, in my look, the bloody farmer will go open the gate and they'll be.
Yeah. There's your tea.
Oh,
Should be warm.
okay.
Mine needs a good. Mine needs a good.
Spoon's in there, look. And by the butter.
Yeah.
The spoon.
Found us something. Ew.
Oh, it is. It was there.
It's not there now.
Is it on the table?
I'll just use.
You've got a spoon.
That's all right. Don't need a spoon. See. I'll leave the bag in it. There goes the windshield. I'd sit back in my chair in the lay-by in Leicestershire.